China. Where you from? Where you from? New Jersey. Welcome to Florida. Block Party Bash, soldiers. Let's move out. Move. That's right, Snow White. Don't stay there playing. Come on, let's move. That's right. Take it out.
Come on, people. Hold the ground. Not another way to get the shot. Terrific. Okay, civilians. This is the rules of Block Party. It ain't a block party. You're making noise. Stop making some noise now. Clap your hands off your feet. Come on. I'm sure you're going to get saluted a lot, sir. We're in Old Glory. Well done. All right, you guys. This is a participation drill. Thank you for the salute, sweetie. Celebrate, people. She can't see me because it's so bright. How you doing, sweetie? All right, listen up, you guys. Participation. How about that? Taste from the past. Outstanding. Looking good. I like that green sweater. That's my favorite color. Yeah. All right. Looking good. Outstanding. Looking good and having fun. Yeah, that's the name of the game. Have fun, right, people? Good job, soldier. I like those green t-shirts. Yes, that's my favorite color. Outstanding. Looking good.
I can't get enough of those here. Hello, civilians! Welcome to the Block Party Bash. I see many of you are wearing your army green. Thank you for wearing your army green today. And camouflage too, I appreciate that. Hello, civilians. Thank you for coming out today. Get ready for a celebration.
Put those hands together, recruits. Clap it out. On the double, that's in order. Put those hands together. Nice job. Look at that. Laying down on the job, sir.
Big game like that. All right, let's get this party started right. I want to see all those hands up in the air. Come on, party people, get those hands up. Give me a hand. Yahoo! So getting down. All right, you know what to do. Here it comes. Yahoo! Yeah, let's get this party started. I want to see all those hands up in the air. All right, it's time to start. The bells are here. The bells
and dance with us. Let's see your best dance moves. First up, the Macarena. You know, Anna, nothing makes a party movement like some princess dancing with you. You know it. Well done. I need more dancers out here. We are staying alive. Now freeze, up and down, and up and down. Roll those arms and shake that plastic hair. I'm still looking for more dancers, and now some spillers too. And move it. Make sure you spell YMCA. Cross the line, man. Let's go. Let's keep moving. It's gonna stay in the Now is the groove. Rock and roll. Drill. Now a little shoulder action.
1, 2, 3. A little bit softer.
It's softer.
Let's bring it down.
It's a little softer.
Louder.
Yes, louder.
Louder.
Louder now. Oh, louder.
And scream. Oh yeah! And let's show 'em how it's done, girls! Can I get a witness?
Excellent work, recruits. Let's see some clapping out there as we pull it down.